Solocrafts Industries was established in 1986. It's a 4-decade-old company. We've been participating in medical since its inception. Coming back to Solocrafts, we have a 3.6-acre plant of a complete 1,20,000 square feet manufacturing and production system dedicated only to hospital beds and hospital furniture manufacturing. Our products are, we are very proud to say that our products are made in India, and we are completely focused on delivering quality product at a very reasonable price. This has always been our motto, considering the fact that we have survived year on year till the 4 decades now. We look to develop products in terms of upgrading our range of beds and other hospital furniture. We can also see, we have some beds over here. We have ICU beds, we have luxurious stretcher trolley. These ICU beds we have upgraded from what it used to be like a conventional way of buying back then, where people used to see a 5-function bed. But now we have brought in a technology of embedded side panels. We have added a weighing scale. We have done chair position and patient off alarm. So these are like few points that a lot of hospitals and doctors are particular about. We've known the pulse of the market, and then we have developed this. Also, coming back to like why we're pioneers in this industry is that we value the customer need. Instead of creating a staple or a regular product, we also look at what is the value that we are adding. So that's what Solocrafts is all about. Craft is our brand, which is well known all over India. We are also available on in home care on Amazon, and apart from that, we also have Craft Pro, which is again a premium series of beds and stretcher trolleys and anesthesia trolleys and all of that. So maybe I could show you around what is our hero product. So this is 1100E. It's a premium series of ICU bed. It is a completely fully packed ICU bed, which has all 5 functions: your head elevation, leg elevation, you have the height adjustment, you can see the bed smoothly moving, and then you have a tilt function, which is called as a Trendelenburg, and the reverse Trendelenburg. We also have a CPR, which goes back to a normal position of all the functions. And then we have a nursing panel. The nursing panel gives you a lot of features like, it gives you a tilt, it gives you a chair position. So a chair position, I'm just going to unlock it for you. So a chair position where you can see that the bed is inclining. So yeah, and then you see a relaxed position, you have an examination position, and then you have a release alarm. Also, we can add a weighing scale to the bed where you can see the weight of the patient while the patient is lying down. That's an added feature that we give, which can be added to this console over here. It's a completely made in India product, very well used bed. Hospitals are very happy. We have sold to a lot of MNCs as well as 30 to 50 bedded hospitals as well. So yeah, this is the newest newest bed that we have placed in the market now, and looking forward to see how it goes. Our time with Medicol has always been great. Like we've been participating again, like I said earlier, year on year with them. It is very important because we get a lot of such good customers coming by and valuing our products that we show here. So we are glad that we tied hands with the organizers like Medicon, and looking forward to many more exhibitions. Thank you.